Good morning guys, and welcome to my very first vlog. Today I should have a pretty productive day, so I thought it could be interesting, so I decided to film a vlog. First, I need to go and buy some fabric. For my new tutorial, I decided to recreate this look. I feel like I've been seeing it on Pinterest from time to time for the past couple of years. I really like it, but I kind of been avoiding it because I really don't like drafting and sewn blazers. There are just too many layers and details involved, but this blazer isn't a classic one, so I thought maybe it would be actually a fun project to try for a tutorial. So now I'm gonna go and buy fabric for it. And then I need to make the mock-up for the suit to test the pattern. And also I want to work on my chairs today. I decided to transform my IKEA chairs into Pinterest chairs. So we'll see how it's turned out. I'm thinking between these two, and probably I'll go with this one. I'm back home. I didn't buy the fabric, but I'm not upset about it because I ordered even better fabric online. But I did buy the lining and the shoulder pads. And now I'm gonna work on a mock-up. For those who were interested, I make my patterns in a program Valentina, and it's actually free. I tried using Cloth 3D, but I found this program a bit too complicated and overwhelming. In Valentina, I basically draw everything the same way I would on paper. As you can see, I've already made the pattern, and now I'm gonna print it and assemble it. I'm not recreating the exact same silhouette as the original because there are a few things I'd like to change, so I'm using it more as inspiration. I'm also trying to decide what shape to make the hem. Should I go with rounded corners or with pointed ones? Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. The mock-up is finally finished. I've made all the necessary adjustments, and now I'm gonna update the pattern on my computer. I'll probably work on the chairs tomorrow because it's already getting late and I'm a little tired. It probably looks like making the mock-up isn't that difficult, but in reality, it took me like the entire day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's raining again today and the room is so dark. This summer has been really rainy. It feels like it's raining almost every single day. Anyway, today I'm finally going to work on transforming my chairs. So I have these IKEA chairs. They're called Eddie. I think they are probably some of the most popular chairs from IKEA. And I want to transform them into this beautiful chairs from Pinterest. As you can see, I've already painted them with metallic finish. And now I need to make leather seat cushions for them. For the cushions, I bought faux upholstery leather and 2 centimeter thick foam. By the way, I'm filming a reel about this whole process of transforming these chairs. You can check it out on my channel later. Just so you can see the difference, this is what the chair looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It looks so much more stylish now. And now I just need to do the same thing to the other 4 chairs. So that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.